Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. Today I have with me SassyShan. SassyShan, please introduce yourself.
My name is Shanique, aka SassyShan. Go follow me, like, subscribe. Yes, hit that notification bell.
Alright guys, so if you're interested in, you know, being a part of this family, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we're going to be doing another video on her channel, so guys, that will be in my description down below. Yeah. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can see we're wearing cute
beautiful necklace.
So mine says Shakay. I'll probably take a picture and show you guys. And we got our necklace from our place name again. Yeah. It's in Kingston and it does online thingy. So it is Sidulu Beauty and Cosmetics. Yeah. And we have that there $3,000.
Two.
Are they 2,000?
Yes.
Oh yes, 2,000. Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to be doing a who's most likely to. So yes, let us get these questions on the road. I've seen like 1 and 2 of the questions, we don't really see all of them, so let's get into it. Now the first question, I'm going to say, who's most likely to take all the selfies? She. Should we take selfie from today till tomorrow? Alright, next question guys. So who's most likely to forget birthdays or anniversaries?
She.
Yeah, me.
She have to write
That's
them
them
book to remember.
Yeah.
So if you're a friend and you never get no happy birthday,
probably
because you never in a book.
I remember my friend.
Or she never remember friend.
She look in a book at that.
Yeah.
Remember looking at book. Yeah.
Shame on her.
Who's most likely to be sleepy? I mean to sleep every day.
That's my favorite hobby. I don't care if I don't think sleeping is a hobby. It is a hobby. It makes my brain relax, and that's why I'm able to smile more. I don't have to worry about the stress of life. I sleep. Yeah. Moving right along.
Anyways, alright guys,
so I can read when I can stand too. Yes. Or what we did,
just choose one. Anyone you want to choose.
Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
Me think I made that.
I don't know, that is kind of,
I don't know,
balanced.
Yeah.
Because I will see something and I think it's funny, but it's not funny to you all. But
that's again,
I'm like,
sometimes me, like somebody will tell her I'm joking and everybody else are laughing and me not get it, and then after a while I'm like, oh, and that time I start laughing, you know. My brain's slow.
Who is most likely to marry a celebrity?
Me.
I'm sorry if it's not Vin Diesel, it ain't gonna work because Vin Diesel.
But already, you can't think of celebrity as also being like a YouTuber, like a famous YouTuber. So celebrity, yeah. You know, if you're
can't bother with the pop star life, can be disgusting. So anyway, moving right along. Who's most likely to get married first? Why me?
Because we don't necessarily want married, you know. Guys, I have to learn to live permanently before we take up married, you know. I want at least 1 or 2 years, but
alright, this boring one. Who is most likely to listen to classical music? Tom.
I don't know.
You.
Oh yeah, true.
She listen to boring song all day. Sometimes she be playing songs and me I wonder where she know the song they from.
Yeah,
so you.
True. Me never really think about it.
Oh, this is a nice one. You want me to ask or you're gonna ask?
For sure.
This one.
Who's most likely to have kids first?
Me!
No one, yeah.
Put your head whether blood or pushed out.
Blood or pushed out.
Anyway, as I was saying, adoption or push out? Me. I don't care. Anyway.
I don't know. I don't think I'd be. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. I can't take care of myself yet. You know?
My Sonic, and I'm not finding another name. It's female.
Who's most likely to be successful? I think she, you know why? I don't know. Probably Toby in one way. Me think about she first. Why? Because she not afraid. She not afraid of people. You get me? I say. I'm not afraid to tell people how it is. And me feel like and she not afraid to go with who she want. You get me? I say. Me know on the other hand kind of shy.
But you are a go-getter, so
yeah, no, I'll try. You know.
I think it's both of us. I don't think
they kind of have a half and half kind of way.
Whatever.
Who's most likely to accidentally kill someone? Shadi.
Moving right along.
Moving right along. Anyways, who's most likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
Hey! I don't most like she is sometimes. Like, little people, she will go on the net and surf and put them in the ad cards, and then you hear she say, oh, my order something.
I order lots of stuff, but we can't stop.
Goody can't shock. Goody can't shock.
Me I go stop back.
Corona make you stop. No, but I think I need.
I lie. And people always scam me top.
Forgive and forget.
No, I know. I'm just saying I would never ship something that I have to pick up from, what you call it, the WAF, wherever them name, the post office. If I pick you up that's all in the order. So I find other people me can buy order and you know ship to me. Yeah. So we start order but now. Alright. Who is likely to talk to animals? She talk to everybody. You know, this morning me here she said, Chicken! I need to talk to Chicken. Can you imagine? Or the post we post.
So then we come back in and we are gonna slap him and all these things. Listen people, I went to a hotel, right? To Sea Garden Hotel, and I saw these beautiful parrots. And I'm right there like tan 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 tan.
If you can't find a video, me insane.
And the parrots start dancing, you know who get excited. So you know what? Yeah, I think I'm a that kind of person.
Animals.
We talk to the bush, everything, the wall, the mosquito, where they stop bite me up.
Anyways, who is most likely to be hungry 24/7?
Craving pick me.
Well, this girl over here. No, let me tell you guys the thing. You see, I don't eat a lot of food one time. You see, but we pick pan food. Like so, me get me Sunday dinner, right? I'm eat one little bit of something. Just by like half an hour after, me hungry again. And then it's up that time, and then me hungry. I don't know. I just part of me. Alright, who is most likely to be a drama queen?
Yeah, girl.
She's right over there.
Me.
Alright, you're gonna choose now.
Who is not likely to worry about small things?
Me, I think.
Dun dun dun.
I think.
Is she?
Yeah. More about everything.
Alright, this is very easy and everybody knows this. Who's most likely to be the best at math?
Duh.
She. So she's a math teacher.
Alright, don't do a
Alright. Who's most likely to ask stupid questions?
Yeah. True.
What if I have to ask? If I don't understand, I have to ask. I'm not going to behave like I know it all. I'm going to ask. I don't care if it's stupid or not. Who's most likely to drop their phone after they bought them?
You. She had a phone. Jesus Christ. No, guys.
Alright, we have to check this one to see who can do it. Who's most likely to hold their breath the longest?
Alright. 1, 2.
That ain't gonna work. I feel like I'm stifling here.
It's funny.
Congrats.
Mike's turn. Who is most likely to have the most piercings? Oh, you're looking at me, girl.
Because are you? I ain't gonna bear no more pain. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get one more piercing, but no more.
I don't know. Yeah, I have.
See,
what you have?
Get 1, 2, and I'm gonna get one more hair.
4. I have
5.
I have 5. I'm one of it. So,
Drama queen.
6
surrogate.
It will be 7 actually because I'm too old. Alright, anyways. Who's most likely to give all their money to charity?
I think both of us.
Yeah. I would say all.
We're a big softie.
But
I wouldn't say all, but most times.
Yeah.
Forward the cause.
So. Yeah. Who's most likely to be a good cook? I'll be more like the baker. I can't cook without recipe. She and the other hand, she will just get up and, you know, wheel up something. And, you know,
take your hand and turn
cooking up some
Take your hand and turn fashion. Come.
I can't do that.
Hey, girl.
Alright, so we're gonna ask 2 more. Who's most likely to skydive? Yeah. I think that would be me. I don't think I don't know. I'm afraid, but if you try it, me think me would have most likely. Listen, she handed them something there.
God give your life, you live. No fear go dead. So why me I go jump off a one plane when me not sure if me I go land? Bye. Moving right along.
Oh gosh. Alright. Who's most likely to have a rich husband?
Not me. No, I don't fancy that.
Me not necessarily fancy it, but who's most likely to? I don't know. I don't think. Me think of me. I don't know. I don't really fancy.
Comment down below who you think will have a rich husband, honey buns. Yeah.
Who you think? Alright. So, and another question for you guys. Who do you think is most likely to fall whilst they're walking? Comment down below. We know who it is, but you know, comment down below.
Oh my god!
Alright guys, thank you
guys.
Yeah.
Big up.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And again guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I make a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.